There are several tax considerations to be aware of if you're buying UK property. The major one and the most punitive is SDLT, which is the stamp duty land tax, which you need to factor in when you're making a purchase. Due to pressure within the UK in recent years, more punitive SDLT rates have been introduced, which unfortunately do penalise non-residents of the UK that are looking to invest in UK property. We have special rules that apply to non-residents, and we have special rates that also apply to investors that already own property, and as a result of the UK purchase will own more than one property. There's a special rate that applies there. So the standard rates of SDLT that will apply from the 1st of April range from 0% on properties up to a value of 125k, and then are banded up until a 12% rate for the portion of the property value over 1.5 million. So if you're subject to the UK rates, you're not a non-resident, perhaps you're replacing a main home and aren't buying an additional property, then, for example, if you were spending 500k on a UK property, your stamp duty land tax liability is going to be £15,000 from the 1st of April on a 500k purchase. Now, to put into context, the more punitive rates that apply for non-residents or those buying second homes, if you're a non-resident, you pay a 2% surcharge in addition to the UK rates on your purchase. So on a 500k purchase, there's immediately an extra £10,000 stamp duty land tax liability that you need to account for. So you're moving from 15k to a £25,000 SDLT liability on your purchase. Following that same example of a £500,000 purchase, if you also already own a property, whether it's in the UK or overseas, you will pay a further 5% SDLT surcharge on the purchase. So you're moving away from 15 to 25 up to £50,000 liability on your acquisition. Now, the good news is, if you're a non-resident and you're looking to buy the UK property and you incur the 2% surcharge, providing you become UK resident within, broadly, you spend more than 183 days in the UK within a year of making that purchase, then you can apply for the 2% surcharge to be refunded, which we can help with. With regards to the additional property surcharge, if you are buying the property as a main home and you sell your main home within 3 years of making the purchase, then again, you can go through the process of having that 5% surcharge repaid.